In this video, I'm gonna show you how to crossplay Madden 24 PS5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, first of all, you need to open the game. With the game opened, you'll be able to see the game home screen, and you can see and change everything you want to the game. You can check training camp, ultimate team, quick play, and much more. But you just want to know how to crossplay Madden 24 PS5. If you want to do that, you need to locate this gear button right here, this gear icon, and you can click there to open the settings menu. So when you do that, you'll be able to see the settings menu and you can check game options, accessibility, and much more. But you just want to know how to cross-play Madden 24 PS5. If you want to do that, you need to locate this crossplay section right here and you can click there. So when you do that, you'll be able to see the crossplay settings. If you want to enable the crossplay, you can just mark this option as on, and you'll be able to crossplay on Madden 24 PS5. So until the moment, and according to this video, that's the only way to do that. That's how it works. I hope I helped you in how to crossplay Madden 24 PS5. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.